Okay, here we go. All right, so welcome to Inside the Challenge. I've got with me today Murray Legge from Murray Legge Architecture in Austin, Texas. And Murray is going to talk about a heritage tree on a site that they had to deal with.
Yeah,
So, Murray, floor is yours.
thanks. I'm excited to be here to talk to you about this project. I'm going to share my screen right now.
Yeah,
Basically, what you're looking at is the site plan um, for a project that we have under construction in Austin, Texas.
yep,
And in Austin, the trees are considered part of a basically city infrastructure. So especially like really large trees. I don't know if you have this in the GTA, but trees or you have to work around them. There's a department of the city arborist. It's almost
yep.
like dealing with like a utility company, and you've got to negotiate with them whenever you're building around trees. So this one was particularly challenging because I think it's a 36-inch diameter trunk, I believe.
Yeah.
And we had to kind of work around that. I'm going to share my model with you a little bit here. And to do that, we actually scan the tree.
Oh,
Uh,
really?
yeah, this is what the house looks like on the side,
Look at that glass.
and yeah, a lot of glass. So the tree, you can't see it here in this model, but I'll just turn on the layer. That Give me 1 second here.
Yeah.
So we scan the tree. You can see this the tree scan. This includes a scan of the existing house too.
Yeah.
And you can see how we're cantilevering. All of this red stuff is this was the existing little house that was on the site that we tore down. And
Yeah.
then these are the lower limbs of the tree. So you can kind of see how we're had to really, we're getting very close to the
Yeah, the
tree
root
limbs there
treatment.
with the roof of the house kind of scooting in there. And then cantilevering actually, if I turn this off, you can see those layers off. You can see that we're cantilevering out
Hmm.
into that what's called the half CRZ, which is this um, curving piece here. And there's a surprise. We created an oculus. You can see this oculus
Yeah.
here that is mimicking the half CRZ of the tree there. And that just like allows for kind of the rain that's flowing down into the half CRZ, and created a window in the master bedroom suite, the principal bedroom suite there for view into that tree. Got some video of it if you're interested in seeing
Yeah, for sure.
that. On that. 1 second here. Pull that up. I'm gonna stop sharing for a sec.
Yep.
Will I find that? Airplane.
If you're watching this, you know what it's like to work around trees.
Yeah. So it's quite a negotiation.
So,
So
okay,
here's
so
the
this is active construction. Yeah.
pardon me?
You're in
Yeah,
active
it's
construction.
yeah, when you come down to Austin, you're gonna see it. You can see there's that Oculus like view into the tree.
And what is the material on the inside there?
That's steel.
It is. Okay.
Yeah. Let's see if I can find another movie here for you. And
That's from the master bedroom,
yeah, that's from the master bedroom exactly. Looking down inside.
primary principal,
You
whatever.
can see down. It's right at the entry too. So it's quite a surprise when you come down. You're entering from the street and you're kind of descending down into the ground a little bit. And then you
Right.
have this, you're coming down under the tree and you're coming down under the roof. And then you have this like oculus that has a
Looks up
view
and
up
you
into
see all
the,
the branches through
yeah,
it. Um,
exactly.
and I'm assuming that that raised bed is to protect all of the root structure.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. It protects the roots of the tree. It's basically the half, it's what we call CRZ, which is critical root zone
Hmm.
of the tree. This is the view from, you can see the scale of that window.
That's huge.
Yeah. Yeah, so basically it's preserving the half CRZ of the tree, the critical root zone. And then
Yeah.
we have like certain rules that are we can only build a certain amount within that full CRZ of the tree. So quite a challenging um, moment to deal with. And also like fitting that roof underneath the tree branches was really challenging too. The client, came to us and they really loved the tree and they wanted to make sure that whatever we designed, kind of fit within the, space of the tree and that they had views of the tree. Actually, that window into the from the master bedroom suite, initially we didn't have a window in there, and the client we were working through the design and they were like, "Where's the view of the tree?" Oh, we fit the it was actually like a really great collaboration with the client. Um, and they, contributed a lot of really great ideas, including pushing us really hard to make that connection to the tree.
Did is I'm assuming the sorry, the glass that's going to go into that window, are
Hmm.
they craning it in, or are they going to be able to bring it from
Uh,
the house?
no, it's a Belgian window system we're using, Rainiers. I don't know if you're familiar with Rainiers. It's a pretty standard. Um, it's not that big. I mean, I think it's 12 feet tall, something like that.
Okay.
But I'm not sure exactly how they're going to get it in place. But that's a good question. How to get it into hopefully they've thought that through. The windows should be going in pretty soon. By the
Yeah.
time you visit in May,
Yeah. It'll be in.
they'll be in.
I
Yeah.
look forward to seeing this. It's
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
pretty special to be able to have a client that thinks in that way, and
Yeah.
you get to come up with these creative solutions to be able to both hit
Right.
hit what you need to on the protection, but also give them what they're looking for on the view.
Yeah. I think too, one of the things that is we're really fortunate on this project to be working with like a really great contractor, who has a great team of subcontractors. So for the steel, the execution is pretty important. They actually, the steel fabricator, they're called Drop House, and they scan that rough opening of the oculus before they came to, and they did a lot of shop fabrication of the curved panels to kind of make it fit. And
Yeah.
they did a beautiful job of kind of like really dialing it in. It has like a almost like an automotive finish on it. It's
Hmm.
like really smooth and really clean. Blake Smith is a contractor and he's like extremely, meticulous and very conscientious. He only does one project at a time. And, he's out there himself like every day, kind of like working with the subcontractors. And so we're really fortunate on this project to have like a really great team. Client is really invested in the project and, providing like really pushing us. They're actually industrial designers now. They're um, a couple that were engineer attorney and they are now into product design. So they
Cool.
have like a really, yeah, really, meticulous attention to detail as well, which is great.
Yeah.
Really understand that finished product is really important.
Very, very, very cool. I appreciate you showing this to us, and
Yeah, yeah,
that create the creative solution. That's
right,
literally what
right,
we're looking for. So
right.
thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.